How to turn off data savings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data savings on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and now click this one and then go down until you find here this one, data savings, and click on it. And now all you need to do is just click here, this one, click on it and then click off. And as you see, data savings has been turned off, and that's how to turn off data savings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.